Property taxes, gone in Florida? That's what many are asking after Governor Ron DeSantis announced plans to overhaul the system. Right now, every homeowner pays yearly ad valorem taxes, the money that funds schools, fire departments, and local services. But Florida's governor is pushing for big changes that could shake the system. Earlier this year, he proposed giving Florida homeowners $1,000 rebates on their property tax bills. That's not just a discount, it's the first step towards something even bigger. To actually eliminate property taxes, Florida needs a constitutional amendment. That means voters, not just politicians, would have to approve the change at the ballot box. The challenge? Property taxes pay for schools, police, fire, roads, the backbone of local government. If they're cut, Florida must replace billions in revenue. Options include higher sales taxes, service cuts, or state subsidies. Each choice comes with trade-offs. And here's a twist. Nevada once had a real allodial title program. Homeowners could pay all future taxes in one lump sum and receive a certificate of allodial title, but the program was repealed in 2005. Florida may be looking to learn from that experiment. Florida's constitution currently requires uniform property taxation, so unless voters amend it, property taxes are here to stay, at least for now. So is Florida doing away with property taxes? Not yet, but the conversation is heating up. And your vote could decide the future of Florida's tax system. Would you support eliminating property taxes, even if it means raising other taxes? Drop your thoughts in the comments.